Today we're going to start factoring trinomials, and for this the trinomials will be in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c. In the next unit we'll change it into an equation where it'll be set equal to a number. But for right now it's just ax squared plus bx plus c. And for this is kind of like a puzzle. So if you like puzzles, the next few days will be kind of your day, I guess. You are looking for two numbers that they have to do both of these. They have to both multiply to get a times c, so these two numbers multiply together, and they have to add together to get b, which is that middle term. So it's kind of like a puzzle. We'll do a few examples, and then you will need to do your assignment. So let's go ahead and do some examples. Okay, number 1, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, so again, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together that get me a times c. So this might be helpful. I've done this in the past where I make a little table. And so I need it to multiply together to get me 15, because 1 times 15 is 15. And I need it to add together to get me 8. Okay, so two numbers that multiply together to get me 15 are 15 times 1. Okay, I know that's 15, but 15 plus 1 is 16, which is not the 8, so I got to get rid of that one. I know that one's not it. Another one would be 3 times 5. I know that equals 15. And then 3 plus 5 is 8. So those are my two numbers. I'm going to come back over here and do two sets of parentheses. Put the variable in each one. And for today, these are both pluses. And then 3 goes into one and 5 goes into the other. On a quiz or a test or something like that, I don't care which number goes first, as long as the sign is correct. And now, just when you think you're done, I'm going to have you check your answers. So over here, let's do our check. And for this, you just multiply it back out. So x plus 3 times x plus 5. So x times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 5 is 15. Combine like terms in the middle. I get x squared plus 8x plus 15. And that matches the original problem. So I'm going to go ahead and box my answer. And yes, on your assignment today, you will need to do your checks. Okay, let's look at another one. This one will be y squared plus 11y plus 24. Okay, I'm going to do the table again. If you can see what numbers they are, you don't have to do the table. If the table does not help you at all, you don't need to do it. So I need two numbers that multiply together to get me 1 times 24. So 24. And it needs to add together to get 11. Okay, so I know 2 times 12 is 24. But then I go 2 plus 12, and that's 14. So that one's not going to work. I also know that 6 times 4 is 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that one's not going to work either. Okay, let's do, I know 1 times 24, but that's going to be 25. So let's do 8 times 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So there are my two numbers. So over here, I can do y plus 8, y plus 3. Okay, gotta do my check. Let's do y plus 8 times y plus 3. And on your assignment, please write check somewhere so I know what you're doing, because some of your work all gets like cramped together and I can't see. So just let me know what's going on. Okay, so I multiplied those out. I need to combine like terms in the middle. And that matches the original problem, so I'm going to go ahead and box my answer. Okay, let's do another one. V squared plus 12v plus 32. Okay, I'll do the table. Again, you don't have to if you don't want to. Next year in Algebra 2, they will expect you just to be able to look at this and be able to find the two numbers. So I need two numbers that multiply together that get me 32 and add to get me 12. I know 16 times 2 is 32. 16 plus 2 is 18, so that one's out. Let's try 4 and 8. Okay, so that one works. So this is v plus 4, v plus 8. I'm going to come over here and do my check. So v squared plus 8v plus 4v plus 32. V squared plus 12v plus 32. That matches the original problem, so I will go ahead and box the answer. Okay, we have two more. W squared plus 11w plus 18, and I would like for you to find the two numbers that multiply together to get me the 18 and add to get me the 11. Okay, so I will do the table real quick. You probably don't need me to do that though. So multiply together to get me 18, add to get 11. I believe it's 9 and 2. Yes. I guess some of you might have tried 6 and 3, but that wouldn't have gotten you high enough to the 11. Okay, so this would be w plus 9, w plus 2. And if you have the 2 first and the 9 second, that's okay. Let's do the check. W times w, that's w squared, and then plus 2w plus 9w plus 18. Combine like terms to get, there it is. Now, guys, when you're doing your checks, take them seriously, because on a quiz or test or something, if you're, let's see, if this is right but your check is wrong, you're still not going to get credit for it. And if these numbers are wrong but then your check somehow matches the original thing, like the whole thing's going to be wrong. You got to take it seriously. Okay, let's do one more. K squared plus 6k plus 5. And I would like for you to find the two numbers that multiply together to get me 5 and add to get 6. Okay, hopefully you did k plus 5 and k plus 1. And let's check the answer on that one. K plus 5 times k plus 1. That would be k squared plus k plus 5k plus 5. Combine like terms in the middle. And that is what I started with. So there is my final answer. Okay, on your assignment, I don't remember how many you have. It's less than 10. You do need to do your checks. You're not going to get credit if you don't show checking your answer.